Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and another what I eat in a day. In these videos, I simply share meal ideas that helped me lose 50 pounds and maintain the weight loss. So to get started, I'm first going to use a spinach wrap. Then with a little bit of olive oil, I'm going to cook up some mushrooms and onion. It's up to your taste preference. You can add whatever veggie you prefer. I'm also going to scramble up 2 eggs and then pour that right over top the onion and mushroom, letting that all cook together. Then I sprinkled some low-fat shredded cheese on top and placed all of this inside the spinach wrap that I already had prepped in a bowl. Then to finish this off, I seasoned it with some pepper and some everything seasoning blend. I love the seasoning on hard-boiled eggs too. It's really good. I'll post a link down below if you guys are interested in picking one up for yourself. And with this, I just had my normal Dunkin' ground coffee with brown sugar oat milk coffee creamer. For lunch today, I had another spinach style wrap. You can of course use a different type of wrap, rice cakes or even lettuce to substitute the wrap instead if you prefer. But over top of this, I spread some roasted red pepper hummus. There's also a bunch of different types of hummus spread options you can use, but I highly recommend this one. It's really good. Then right over top of that, I added some shredded carrots, shredded lettuce, pepper, and cucumber. It's up to you if you want to add protein. You can certainly add some deli meats like turkey, ham, or chicken, etc. I personally was just craving something cold, crisp, and veggie that day. But following the same steps in similar ingredients, you can certainly add your own meat or protein. I'm super excited. My new package of the Built Bars just came in. So this is the mixed box. I've been a huge fan of Built Bar for years now. I think I started using them back in 2017. Maybe I'd have to go back and check my order. But yeah, I've used them for years and I'm super excited because they have a ton of new flavors. So let's see, I have had a couple of these flavors before. Orange, one of my favorites, so good. It reminds me of that like holiday orange candy you get around Christmas time. Coconut's really good, similar to like that coconut chocolate candy bar. I can't remember the name of it, but I've had the lemon, but I have not had the lemon almond cheesecake. So that sounds good. Mint brownie. I've had mint. I'm not exactly sure if it's the same as the mint brownie, but I'll have to give it a taste test to find out. And raspberry I've had, which is also super good. It kind of tastes like a chocolate truffle. So I think these are all newer flavors for me, which I'm stoked to try. You can also see they updated their packaging since the last time I had ordered from Built Bar. So this is the old style packaging and this is the new style packaging. I'm a big fan of the makeover. They look so much nicer. They really catch the eye, I think, with all the coloring. Here's the back of the salted caramel. For example, like the calories range from 130 to 180. The apple almond crisp. So I'll compare those side by side just so you can see the slight difference. Calories are 160 or 130. Total fat 5 or 2.5. Saturated is 2 or 1.5. Cholesterol and sodium are pretty much the same. Same with carbs and protein. So like they're just like one number difference. And they are gluten-free and no preservatives. They also offer nut-free options. So those of you with nut allergies also have a safe option by choosing Built Bar. So I'm gonna put these away in the pantry. These are the last ones that I have left, which made me really sad. So I'm super excited that my package of new ones came in. I was gonna quickly run out of these. I keep them in one of my breakfast drawers. I have all my pantry drawers organized by like meal or type of food. So this starts the breakfast area, but I don't only use them for breakfast. I also use them for dessert and snacks. Yay, now I'm all restocked. Oh my gosh, I just opened the salted caramel. It smells so good. And all of them honestly look just like a chocolate coated candy bar, but I was craving something sweet. So this is perfect for a midday smart sweet snack option. Oh my gosh. I wish I could just feed this to you right now. It's so good. The flavor of this one kind of reminds me of like a Starbucks or like a fancy barista type caramel coffee flavor. It's really good. And like I love the texture of Built Bar because they're just super like soft and kind of like a fluffy texture. It kind of reminds me of like a marshmallow, which is obviously a huge plus. They're not like other brands that I've had that are like chalky and dry. So the texture of these are really nice. But the flavor though, my god, it's so good. Okay, well, salted caramel gets a 10 out of 10 for me. If this was like a blind taste test, I would say it's an actual candy bar. Like, no joke, it's so good. But again, without the guilt, because it's a smarter option than other like sweet type snacks and desserts you could go after to satisfy your cravings. Tonight's dinner was a super easy option and perfect for the colder weather. The first thing you're gonna need is some ground turkey. Warm this up in a pan just to get it pre-cooked and brown before we move it into the crock. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 8 ounces of tomato sauce, diced onion, and 2 garlic cloves minced. Then a blend of my seasonings that include 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt and half of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then mix this all up. Then I'm going to add my blend of beans. I used 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of pinto beans, and 1 can of black beans, and a can of diced tomatoes. Then again, just mix this all really well in your crock and set your cooker on low for 4 to 6 hours or on high 2 to 3 hours, stirring occasionally. Once it's ready, you can top this with whatever condiments you prefer. Today, I just did some low-fat shredded cheese and chives. Some other great options are jalapenos, cilantro, bacon, avocado slices, low-fat sour cream. And today, Will and I split a biscuit to have on the side, but it's also really great to have with tortilla chips or just alone. So that's everything for today's What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Check out the description box for more information and discount codes. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.